get ready for dancing with It's the Dance for Me and You.
Hey, dance family. Hello. Okay then, here we are at the start. The very first thing you need to do for organized dance is understand how to catch the beat, because we have to get ourselves synced up with the music so we can be flowing. So we both have to have an understanding of what the music is doing and agree on that so we can actually dance together as a partnership. It should be like, oh, okay, then we both know that this is what's going on, and so we got to understand how to catch the beat. So I'm gonna play some music from one of my favorite DJs. His name is Sharpo. If you see his stuff out there, support him. But as we hear any song, whether it's this song, your favorite song, the first thing we need to listen to it and see what's going on, and then we're gonna try to pick up on what the drums or the snare part from the drum is telling. Now, if you play a musical instrument, you're a musician, you already know all this stuff. This is really for people like me who are not really dancers or not really musicians. You know, we have to learn to figure out what's going on. So, as we listen, whether we snap our fingers, clap our hands, clap our legs, you stomp your feet. However you like to count the music or count the time, you need to get practice doing that. So if you're just sitting around the house and you got some spare time or sitting at work, you know, you can do like Tanya's doing, just snap your fingers to the music. So you hear that nice snare that kicks in for us. That snare lets us know where to snap, where to pat, where to clap. And so get your favorite songs and find out where everything is in the music. Because once we understand where to catch the beat, we can get into the rest of the dance. But first, no matter what dance we're doing, we gotta listen to the music, and then we gotta catch the beat. Because that beat is what's really gonna help us, or really what we're dancing to. So if you don't catch the beat, you ain't really, it's gonna be a hot dance. Anything you wanna add?
It's just the snare. Just catch that snare.
Now, one of the other things that are important about this, different people hear music differently. I actually hear the music slightly different than Tanya does. So it's one of those things I really have to work with, because I don't listen to music that often, only when I'm dancing. When I'm not dancing, I'm probably listening to the news or something crazy like that. So I really have to practice this. Tanya, she likes to dance and she likes music, and she played an instrument, so all this stuff comes naturally to her. You know, so myself, I really have to work on this. But trust me, if I can do this